So you've woken up one morning, you come to unlock your car and nothing. If you're lucky, if you bring it up here, then you might get it unlocked. So you go and change the battery, come back and it's exactly the same. Again, if you're lucky, it might work around here. So you get the spare key and you try that, same result. Now it might not actually be the key at all. If I unlock it, it might be, oops, not done. It might be this little fella. So I had this exact problem. All of a sudden it just stopped working. Assumed it was the key or possibly something to do with the locking system, and it was actually this little device here, which is it's like an amplifier for your key signal, and this is located in here. So I'll just this already off. If you just pull, there you go. There we go. So it just pops off. So let's have a look, there's a clip at the front, so you need to sort of like work it backwards. There is a metal surround, so it's not as if you're breaking the fabric. And if you look up here, there's my new one, and all there is a torque screw. Oops, where is it? Yeah, there's a torque screw on the left hand side, which you probably can't see in the dark. Just the one screw. There's a little connector, I'll show you on this one. So it sits like this. There's the torque screw goes in here. Oops, sorry. There's the connector there. So these are about £10 to £15 on eBay. Worth a go. Better than paying for a new key. And even if you did buy a new key, it wouldn't work anyway because it's the signal receiving. Okay, hopefully you found this useful. There'll be a lot more videos regarding the Mini because it's a new project. So like and subscribe and press the little bell button if you want to hear more about the Mini Cooper or any other of the cars I've got. Okay, cheers, bye. If you found this video useful, why not click on like so other people can find it? And if you want to subscribe, I'll be doing lots more videos on VWs and Minis and Land Rovers and MGs and lots of other cars and things. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon.